In this lesson, we will go over how to calculate two fees associated with the loan origination process. These are fees paid up front by the borrower to the lender prior to closing on the loan. Let's start by going over loan origination fees. The processing of a loan is known as loan origination. The loan origination fee is charged by the lender and paid by the borrower to cover the expenses involved in creating a new loan. Loan origination fees vary per lender and may be negotiated between the lender and borrower. A typical loan origination fee is 1% of the loan amount, not the purchase price. Let's go through an example to see how a loan origination fee is calculated. John is purchasing a $680,000 home and needs to obtain a $550,000 loan to close on the property. How much will John pay as a loan origination fee if the lender charges a fee of 1%? The first step we must take is to convert 1% to a decimal. This equals 0.01. Next, we must multiply 0.01 by the loan amount. Remember, loan origination fees are based on the loan amount, not the purchase price. This equals 0.01 times $550,000, or $5,500. John will pay a loan origination fee of $5,500 to the lender. Let's go through one more example. Abby is looking to obtain a $320,000 loan to purchase a $500,000 house. The lender initially wanted to charge a 1% loan origination fee. However, Abby was able to negotiate the fee down to 0.5%. How much will Abby pay in loan origination fees? In this case, the fee is based on 0.5%. Remember, loan origination fees may be negotiated with the lender. When we convert 0.5% to a decimal, we get 0.005. Next, we multiply 0.005 by the loan amount of $500,000, which gives us a loan origination fee of $1,600. We can also solve for the loan amount or the loan origination fee percentage if we know the other two variables. If we know the loan origination fee percentage and the amount paid in origination fees, we can solve for the loan amount. This will equal loan amount equals amount paid in origination fees divided by loan origination fee percentage, expressed as a decimal. For example, if a borrower paid $1,500 in origination fees and the lender charges a 1% fee, how much is the loan amount? To find the answer, we simply divide $1,500 by 0.01, which is 1% expressed as a decimal. This gives us a loan amount of $150,000. Now, if we know the loan amount and the amount paid in origination fees, we can solve for the fee percentage. Loan origination fee percentage equals amount paid in origination fees divided by loan amount. For example, if a borrower obtained a $200,000 loan and paid $1,000 in origination fees, what was the lender's origination fee? To solve this, we simply divide $1,000 by $200,000 to get a fee of 0.5%. These are the three types of questions you may see regarding loan origination fees. Now let's turn to discount points. Discount points, also known as mortgage points, is a fee paid to the lender by the borrower at closing in exchange for a reduced interest rate. For example, a borrower may pay 1 discount point up front in exchange for a reduced interest rate of 0.25%. The amount of reduction in interest rate per discount points paid depends on the lender's projected yield on the loan. The lender has to calculate how much they can accept up front in exchange for less money collected each month and still reach their desired return on investment. The borrower does not have to opt in to paying discount points, but doing so will reduce their monthly loan payments since their interest rate will be lowered. Like loan origination fees, discount points are paid as a percentage of the loan amount. One discount point is equal to 1% of the loan amount. For example, if a borrower elects to pay 2.5 points up front, this means they will pay a fee of 2.5% of the loan amount. The formula you can use to solve these types of problems is amount paid in discount points equals loan amount times discount points, expressed as a decimal. Let's go through an example using this formula. Mark is looking to borrow $250,000 to purchase a $400,000 house. The loan has a 30-year term with an interest rate of 4.5%. Mark learns that he has the option to pay 1 point up front, which will reduce his interest rate to 4.25%. How much will Mark pay in discount points if he elects to take this option? The first step we have to take is to determine what percentage of the loan amount is paid in discount points and convert that number to a decimal. 1 point is equal to 1% of the loan amount, which equals 0.01 as a decimal. Next, we now know that discount points are based on the loan amount, rather than the purchase price. This means we must multiply 0.01 by the loan amount of $250,000 to get an answer of $2,500. In other words, Mark will pay the lender $2,500 up front to reduce his interest rate from 4.5% to 4.25%. If you know the amount paid in discount points and the loan amount, you can use a variation of the formula to solve for the number of points. This variation will look like the following. Discount points equals amount paid in discount points divided by loan amount. Let's go through an example using this variation. We'll assume the borrower is paying $9,500 in discount points up front. If the loan amount is $380,000, how many discount points did the borrower pay? To find the answer, we simply divide the amount paid in points by the loan amount. This equals $9,500 divided by $380,000, or 0.025. 0.025 expressed as a percentage equals 2.5%, which amounts to 2.5 points. Finally, we can do one more variation on the formula and solve for the loan amount if we know the number of discount points and the amount paid in discount points. The variation will equal the following. Loan amount equals amount paid in discount points divided by number of discount points. For example, if a borrower paid $10,000 up front for 2 discount points, what was the loan amount? First, we must convert 2 discount points to a decimal. This equals 0.02. Next, we divide $10,000 by 0.02. This gives us a loan amount of $500,000. These are the 3 types of questions you may see regarding discount points.